Prime Minister Narendra Modi has extended his condolences to the victims of the hotel fire in Kolkata. Speaking on the fire that killed 9 people, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said, and I'm quoting here, extremely pained to learn about the loss of lives due to the fire mishap in Kolkata. My condolences to those who have lost their lives and their loved ones in this tragedy. May the injured recover at the earliest. He added that the local administration is assisting those who are affected. Well, let me go across to my colleague Prem Sen, who will join us live from the ground where this has in fact happened. Remember, he's been tracking all the latest developments in this particular case since the morning, and we are getting to also know that 80 people were safely rescued in this. We are also getting to know that an SIT now has been formed to probe this particular incident, and now Prime Minister Narendra Modi has in fact extended his condolences to the victims of the hotel fire in Kolkata. He's also stated that he's extremely pained to learn about this particular incident. He sent his condolences to those who have lost their loved ones in this particular tragedy. And he's also stated that the administration is doing whatever it can to make sure that all the affected are in fact given a proper treatment, those injured are receiving proper medical help as well. Well, my colleague Prem Sen has joined us live on the broadcast. So with more, Prem, we are getting the first statement from the Prime Minister regarding this particularly tragic incident.
Well, absolutely. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has given a statement on this particular incident. 9 people lost their lives. Most of them were Bangladeshi citizens who lost their lives right here at Mirza Ghalib Street. We are live here from the Mirza Ghalib Street reporting since morning what happened, what all happened. We spoke to Bengal Minister Agnimitra Paul, who stated clearly that an SIT team will be formed to investigate the root causes of the fire. Currently, FSL team and the special investigating team is at the spot investigating the root cause. Fire department is also there. What caused the fire is the matter of question. To be specific, we inspected the entire spot and we got the exclusive details that this very hotel, which used to, in this hotel, college students used to up that this was sold to multiple people and they converted it into multiple hotels. About 8 to 9 hotels are there in the same building. The same building had 8 to 9 hotels. And what is most surprising is that there is only one entry and exit point. There is no other entry and exit point for the people to escape in these kind of situations. We are right here. This is the Mirza Ghalib Street where the entire incident took place. We are at the spot only. And in this hotel only, what happened is people got trapped due to just one entry and exit point. What happened? Fire got started. People suffocated. 9 people lost their life. Most of them were Bangladeshi citizens who came here for medical treatment. 6 of them are currently under treatment in Calcutta Medical College and they are receiving treatment for critical burn injuries. About 80 people are rescued. Responding exclusively to NewsX, Bengal Minister Agnimitra Paul stated that SIT team will be formed and after discussion with Chief Minister Subhendu Adhikari, an ex gratia amount will be announced for the victims who lost their lives.
All right. Thank you so much, Prem, for all those details.